Hello, welcome back to the channel. Hey, today I want to go over a monitor that I'm getting, that I'm going to put up. But I've got cameras all around the house, and for some reason, when you really want to see something on that camera, it's hard to find, and it's just I don't know. It's just not working out all that great for me. And I could take the cards out of the cameras and put them on the computer and find stuff pretty easy like that, but the apps on these phones for these security cameras around your house, they just don't seem to work right. But anyway, today what I'm going to talk about is this alert the moment someone enters your property. So it's let me get it over here so you can get a good shot at it. It's WULOO. Wuloo. How would you say that? Wuloo? Wuloo. So what it basically, if you ever went into a gas station that had one of them hoses across the driveway and it goes ding ding, well, that's what this is going to do, but it's going to do it in your house. And it's not a hose, it's a line of sight monitor. So I'm not going to bore you with taking it out of the box, but I'll show you what's in here. Here's a little card that I guess you can scan the thing and get your warranty. And then it has a quick tutorial guide that you can look at later and go over it if you want to. And by the way, this is not a sponsored product. I bought this product myself with my own money. And if you want to support the channel, you can do it by clicking the subscribe button and give it a thumbs up and comment in the description. And also, I hate to do it, but I added a buy me a coffee link in the description because I'm just not making any money on YouTube. I used to make real good money on YouTube. I won't say much about that, but they have cut down the amount of money they pay per video so bad that I'm not making anything from YouTube right now. So I'm just doing these videos for personal satisfaction, to give you some information, and to have some fun, because I like doing these videos. And I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on golf and doing stuff like that. I'm cutting down some irons, putting some re-gripping some. I'm going to re-grip my putter tomorrow, so I'm going to try to do videos on all that. Anyway, also, here's a little book, shows you a few things, tells you how to set it up and everything, which is pretty neat. And then this is the outside monitor. It's pretty simple. It comes with a charging cord, so I charged it up the first time. And it has a solar panel on the top. That way when you put it wherever you're going to put it, make sure it has sunlight on the top, and that way you won't have to take it back in and recharge it. It'll charge itself. So this is the piece that goes outside. Let's see. I haven't even looked at this. You're looking at this at the same time I am. This is like everything else you get nowadays. It comes with a little charging block. Comes with a little charging block, just like for your phone and everything else these days, and a cable. And this is the monitor for inside. So there it is. That's the monitor for inside. So what we'll do is we will plug it in. The cord goes into the DC slot. And then I'm going to have to get me an extension cord over here so I can show you how it works. Haven't done that yet. Get a little extension cord. So it's all hooked up. So now all we got to do is plug it in and sync it. So let me get my stuff together and I'll be right back. Oh, it has a sensitivity setting too. That's one thing I don't like already. Oh my goodness, you don't have to do nothing. I thought you had to sync it with the monitor, but you don't. Let me turn that down some. Yeah, it's got a button here that says paired. I guess you can buy an extra one of these and pair it to the system. But every time I move it, can you hear that? So that's pretty neat that you don't have to pair it, because I saw a paired button on here, and I guess that's what it is you can buy another monitor from the company. Yeah, and I got this on Amazon. And just so you know, if you buy one of these products on Amazon through my links below, I will get a little commission fee for that. So not much, but every little bit helps. So anyway, this is pretty cool. So let's see. I wonder why they don't have a off on button. Let's see what the menu. I'm gonna click on the menu button. I know you can't see it, but I'm gonna try to see what this menu button says. Oh, that sets the clock. I'm getting tired of hearing about it already. And, hey, I forgot to tell you one thing about this. It does have a battery compartment in the back. So even though you do plug it into the power, you put batteries in here, and if your power goes out, then your monitor is solar powered and this has batteries in it, it will still work. So you'll still know when there's movement wherever you put your sensor at. I just wanted to cut that in real quick. So get back to the video. You can use it for a motion sensor inside your shed, stuff like that. I don't know, there's a multitude of things if you want to know where there's movement at. You could probably put it in another room in your house just to know if someone comes in your house. It works like a doorbell. Somebody came in, ding dong, ding dong. Means somebody's in your house. So anyway, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And for all you people that did buy me a coffee, I appreciate it. Thank you very much. The link's in the description below. And you guys have a fantastic day. This is Harold signing off, baby.